Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A6 versus the Toyota Fortuner in a race scenario. We'll explore how each vehicle performs under different conditions, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Understanding their core capabilities is key to determining which car is better for a given challenge. We'll look at speed, handling, and durability to give you a clear picture. When considering a race, it's crucial to acknowledge their distinct design philosophies. The Audi A6 is a luxury sedan built for refined on-road performance, offering a smooth and powerful ride. Conversely, the Toyota Fortuner is a rugged SUV, designed to conquer difficult off-road landscapes. Pitting them against each other in an inappropriate environment would not showcase their true potential. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe to the channel. And on another note, after a long day of driving, you'll want a good meal. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh, whether you're on the road or off-roading. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Beyond racing, these vehicles serve very different practical purposes. The Audi A6 delivers a premium driving experience with sophisticated comfort and cutting-edge infotainment. The Fortuner, however, prioritizes durability, passenger space, and the ability to tackle diverse terrains, making it ideal for adventurous families or those needing a workhorse. Your daily requirements should guide your choice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.